Would you like to know about a ratio through which many companies have kept their financial distress hidden for some time? Yes, we are talking about EBITDA. What is EBITDA? EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization. ये एक फाइनेंशियल मेट्रिक है जो कंपनी की ऑपरेशनल परफॉर्मेंस यानी कोर बिजनेस से कितना पैसा बन रहा है ये बताता है। एबिडा को आसान भाषा में समझे, अर्निंग्स कंपनी का टोटल प्रॉफिट, बिफोर इंटरेस्ट लोन का इंटरेस्ट देने से पहले, टैक्स सरकार को टैक्स देने से पहले, डिप्रीशिएशन और एमोर्टाइजेशन नॉन कैश खर्चे, एसेट्स जैसे मशीन्स की वैल्यू कम होने का खर्चा। EBITDA is a method of measuring profitability, which shows how successful the company's operational decisions have been. It focuses on the part of the revenue on which the company's capital structure, taxes, and fixed assets have no impact. It is calculated from the income statement. Formula to calculate EBITDA. आप इसे दो तरीकों से निकाल सकते हैं. First method is net income method, in which EBITDA is equal to net profit plus interest plus tax plus depreciation plus amortization. Second method is operating income method, in which EBITDA is equal to operating income plus depreciation plus amortization. ये अलग अलग कंपनीज को कंपेयर करने में मदद करता है, चाहे उनका टैक्स स्ट्रक्चर या लोन अलग हो। ये दिखाता है कि सिर्फ बिजनेस चलाने से कितना प्रॉफिट हो रहा है। ये सिर्फ एक टूल है, इससे कंपनी की पूरी फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ का पता नहीं चलता क्योंकि इसमें कैश फ्लो और डेट ऑब्लिगेशंस इग्नोर हो जाते हैं। बेनिफिट्स ऑफ EBITDA. EBITDA indicates how well the company is managing its day-to-day operations, including its core expenses such as the cost of goods sold. As such, it is a very fair indicator of a business's current state and potential. In some cases, it is much fairer than either gross profit or net income. Gross profit shows a business's turnover, but not how much of that money is being retained after expenses. Net income does this, but it can be heavily influenced by factors beyond a business's direct control. For example, if governments or local authorities are struggling to balance their own books, they may resort to raising taxes. There's nothing any company can do about this, but their net income is still reduced. We hope you liked this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe my No Laxi channel. Thank you.